we guide you through how to create a MetaMask wallet. So first, open your browser and go to the official MetaMask website, then click download and install the MetaMask extension for Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or your preferred browser. Once installed, click Get Started, then select Create a new wallet. Choose whether you want to share anonymous usage data, then create a strong password to secure your wallet on that device. Next, MetaMask will show you your secret recovery phrase. Write it down on paper and store it somewhere safe offline. Never share this phrase with anyone because it is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access. After confirming your recovery phrase in the correct order, your MetaMask wallet is ready to use. You can now receive cryptocurrencies by copying your wallet address, connect to decentralized apps, and manage your digital assets securely.